Welcome to this video, guys. I have this PHP code here, and if I run this, as you can see, I get this error that says term PHP is not recognized. Now, how can we fix this? This can be because of certain reasons. The first one is PHP not being installed. So if your PHP is not installed, you'll have to install PHP. So what you can do is you can go to this URL, php.org, or what was it, php.net. Okay, php.net. I'll have this link in the description below. You can download PHP from there, and from here just download, and you need to download this Windows one. So click on Windows download and click on this zip. Now from here you can just install PHP for your Windows machine, and after that I'll show you the next steps. If you don't know how to download and install this, you can check the link in the description. It will show you how you can install PHP. So once PHP is installed, this error will not be fixed. So we will have to add PHP to environment variable. So once the installation of PHP is done, or if PHP was already installed, what you can do is go to wherever your PHP is installed. So in my case, my PHP is installed using XAMPP, so it is inside this directory. In your case, you have to copy the path of wherever your PHP is. So if I scroll down here, you will have to add the full path of this php.exe. So this php.exe is inside this folder, inside C, inside XAMPP, inside PHP. So I'm copying this path. And if PHP was already installed in your directory in your system, just copy the path wherever your php.exe is, and press Windows and type environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here you will see this path. Double click on this. Double click on this bottom row here and paste it here. Click OK. Click OK again and click OK again. And now what you need to do is you can, let's say, kill this terminal and run this again. And if you're seeing this again, just close your Visual Studio Code and reopen it. And this time I'll close this and run this again. And this time, as you can see, it is working. So this is how you can fix that error in VS Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.